What's up, family? Here we are at Mount Seymour, and today we're going to be looking at the effects of glaciation on the parent material and just the type of rocks that are here. We hope you enjoy.
Mount Seymour Conservation Reserve is filled with igneous and sedimentary rocks.
Wow!
Now, we believe that this massive rock formation was pushed here by a glacier thousands of years ago.
Take a look at these beautiful rock formations.
As you can see here, we have an extrusive igneous rock that was likely moved here by a glacier after it erupted out of a volcano. Pretty cool, huh?
Two great examples of igneous extrusive rocks are obsidian and basalt, which are both formed when a volcano erupts.
Unlike the Rocky Mountains along the British Columbia-Alberta border, which are made of sedimentary rock, the coast mountains are composed primarily of granite and other igneous rocks. What we see as mountains today are actually the roots of volcanoes, similar to the Cascade volcanoes stretching from Mount Lassen in Northern California to Mount Baker, just south of British Columbia in Washington State.
Many people visit here to hike in the summer, to do skiing in the winter. It is a great area to participate in recreational activities.
As you can see, Mount Seymour has a vast recreational history. Here we have one of the first chairlifts ever used on Mount Seymour.
Wow!
Behind us, we have rails used for recreational activities such as skiing and snowboarding. Take it away, so do you.
The Coast Salish people have lived in this area for thousands of years, and they held a special place for Mount Seymour. They would have potlatch ceremonies such as weddings, signing of special treaties, and other occasions. Streams such as this one helped with the erosion process that broke down parent material into the type of soil that's present up here on Mount Seymour.
As the coast mountains began to be uplifted, they were subjected to erosion by streams and rivers. The streams and rivers cut deep, narrow canyons and valleys in the mountains, many of which are still visible today. Later, between 11,000 and 100,000 years ago, the shape of these valleys was dramatically altered during a number of ice ages. At least 3 major periods of glaciation are recognized in the Vancouver area. Glaciers from the coast and Cascade Mountains formed large ice sheets which covered the Fraser lowland and extended out into the Strait of Georgia.
Several million years ago, all these mountain ranges were joined together in one south-facing surface with a north-facing topography.
As you can see behind us, past the city of Coquitlam, we have Mount Baker, which is actually an active volcano that is overdue for an eruption.
What you're looking at right now is Mount Seymour from a top-down perspective on Google Earth. Established in 1936, Mount Seymour is named after Frederick Seymour, who was the governor of British Columbia between 1864 and 1869. I guess people thought he really rocked as a governor.